Go.
Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com. I should call it whyamicold.com. Like my mittens. It is, I think it's November 9th. If not, I'll have to wait a day. And look at the frost on my car. Look at that. See right here? I can't even write frost. O-S-T. That's the main spelling. Anyways, I wanted to show you my garden. Look, I could finally do live long and prosper. So I wanted to show you my garden. So what was of it? Right over here, if you remember, right here was my big tomato garden. These things were, about that tall. Okay, so about probably 7.5 feet tall, and I cut them down. But we had lots of great tomatoes, and all the sands were taken away, or dirt, or soil, and at least I didn't say anything weird like I soiled my plants. And this is what I have left over for soil from up there. Remember, I had all my pot containers or 5-gallon buckets, dumped them down here, and as soon as they hit, they became circulated. That's my circulation method, and that'll compost for the winter, so we can have beautiful hot peppers. So I've got tons of hot peppers this year. Matter of fact, I got baggies and baggies of tons of them in my freezer that I'm going to dry out to make some nice spice. Let's see, what do I have in there? I have ghost peppers, and I have Carolina Reapers, and I have Trinidad Scorpions, and white Nagas, and chocolate boots. And I'm going to take them all and mix them up together and make a flaming hot, super stupid hot pepper. We're going to grind them all up, and I could use them for spices throughout the winter. All I have to do is open them up, and they'll heat up the whole house. So that's what I had. I wanted to show it to you, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Live long and prosper.